Namaskar friends, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Astrodevam.com. Today is the sixth day of the Navratri and the day is ascribed to Divine Goddess, Divine Mother Katyayani. Katyayani is one of the most popular forms of Divine Mother Durga. Since ancient times, since long back when Vedas were written, even though in those days the puja of Katyayani was very much prevalent. In the Taittiriya Aradak of the Yajurveda, the worship of the Divine Mother Katyayani has been described. In the Skanda Purana, Kalika Purana, in the Buddha scriptures, Jain scriptures, Devi Bhagavad, Devi Purana, Markandeya Purana, everywhere the Devi's Katyayani's worship has been detailed in a very systematic and methodical way. So Devi is very popular, and in the form of Devi is that in some descriptions she has 4 hands, in some 10 hands, and in some descriptions she has even 18 hands. But her form with 4 hands is very popular. In one hand she has khadg or the big sword, in one she has the fully blown lotus, and in one hand is in the Vara Mudra, the gesture of safety and reassurance. She is mounted on the lion, and she is very popular, and her names are Chandi, Chandika, Mahishasur Mardini, Bhadrakalika. So many names have been given to Divine Mother Katyayani, and her story you can relate. You must have seen the form of Devi as Mahishasur Mardini in the Durga Puja. So she is the Katyayani Devi who had killed Mahishasur, who had tormented the whole universe. As per one tradition, the Rishi, the great seer Katyayan, had worshipped and did a lot of penance to the Devi for getting in the form of his daughter. And one day Devi appeased and she took birth in the home of Katyayan Rishi and as his daughter, and after taking birth she killed the demon Mahishasur who had tormented, tortured and harassed the whole universe, and in this way she was called as Mahishasur Mardini. In another tradition, as per Markandeya Purana's Durga Saptati part, when Mahishasur tormented the whole universe, even gods couldn't do anything against him, then they started to pray the divine energy who is running the whole universe. Then all the energies of all the gods was accumulated, and after this accumulation Devi appeared before them and she killed Mahishasura. Mahishasura is nothing but this is the letharginess in our being. Just see a buffalo. Mice means buffalo, how it moves, how it reacts. So he is very lethargic, slow moving, and just to kill our lethargic, we should worship Ma Katyayani. And the color ascribed and very beloved to the Ma Katyayani is red color. So when you are worshipping Ma Katyayani, you should wear red colors just like me and offer her red flowers. And the prasadam, in the prasadam you should offer her the honey. And in another experiment you can do that. You may add the crushed powder of nutmeg into the honey, then you should offer to Divine Mother Katyayani. Believe me, she will be very much pleased, because she requires, in Durga Saptati, she is drinking honey because she has to kill Mahishasura. So you should offer honey. It is very beloved to the Mother Katyayani. And the mantras ascribed to the Mother, Divine Mother Katyayani. First is the seed mantra, that is Om Klim Shrim Trinetraye Namah. Another mantra ascribed to Divine Mother Katyayani is Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Katyayani Ruped Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. Another mantra is Om Devi Katyayani Namah. Another mantra very popular, but it is the description of her form is Chandra Hasyo Jalkara Shardul Varbahana Katyayani Subdadyoti Danav Ghatini. This is the very popular mantra ascribed to her form, how she looks. Chandra Hasyo Jalkara means जो है her smile is very just like moon, and she is mountain on the lion, and she gives blessings in blessings in all auspicious things, and she is killer of the demon. She is very the Katyayani Devi is very popular for auspicious marriages, and as per tradition, girls who are unmarried worship Ma Katyayani for getting good husband. Even as per our scriptures, all the cow mates, Gopikas of Vrindavan worshipped Ma Katyayani to get a husband like Lord Krishna, and they were married to very good and caring husbands. So as per this tradition, for good marriage and for getting married, even if your marriage getting delayed, you should worship Divine Goddess Katyayani. And the mantra for marriage for the Ma Katyayani, if you want to early marriage, the mantra is Om Klim Katyayani Mahabhagye Mahayoginyadhishwari Nanda Gop Sutam Devi Pati Me Kurte Namah. Klim Om. This is the mantra for the marriage. And if male persons are worshipping Ma Katyayani for marriage, they may replace Patni for the word Patim. So this is the very popular mantra and for the marriage. And one very secret experiment you should do for the marriage. Take the 2 pieces of turmeric and dip in a jar of honey and place it before Ma Katyayani. And the mantra which I described, recite at least 108 times, 108 times, or even more than that, 1008 or even more than that, whatever quantity you can recite, and place it here. And after next day, take this honey jar with you and place in the southwest portion, Nairitya Koda of your house. If you are not married, your marriage will be performed. And if your marriage in the tremble and it is on the rocks and nothing is going good, then harmony will appear. And as per yoga tradition, the Devi Katyayani rules the third eye or Agya Chakra, and the persons who are worshipping Ma Katyayani as per yoga and tantra tradition, they should simply recite the mantra Om. Only Om and nothing else, because this is the mantra prescribed for as per yoga and tantra tradition. So, and in the astrological terms, Ma Katyayani rules the Graha, Guru or Jupiter. So the Ma, omnibenevolent Ma Katyayani, who makes possible early marriages and the harmonious marriages, she should be pleased with all of you. This is my blessing and my wish also. Namaskar. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Ashtodevam.com.